In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn passive income on Binance, whether you're just starting with cryptocurrencies or you're looking for a way to make your digital assets work for you. Binance offers several straightforward options. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set up your passive income stream on this popular platform. First, start by opening the Binance app and logging into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, make sure to create one and complete all the necessary verifications to access the full suite of Binance services. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the Earn section in the app. You'll find this in the main menu, typically located at the bottom of your screen. Once there, look for an option labeled Simple Earn. This is where Binance consolidates its passive income products. Now that you're in the Simple Earn section, it's time to choose a product that suits your needs. Binance offers products like flexible savings, which allows you to earn interest while retaining the ability to withdraw your funds at any time. If you're looking for potentially higher returns and can afford to lock your assets for a predetermined period, consider locked savings. Additionally, there might be some listings under Hot, which could offer promotional offers or higher interest rates for a limited time. Take a moment to read through the details of each product to decide which option aligns with your financial goals. Once you've settled on a product, the next step is to select the cryptocurrency you'd like to invest in. Binance supports a wide variety of coins, so you have the flexibility to choose the asset you're most comfortable with or that you believe will yield the best return. After selecting your cryptocurrency, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to invest. Make sure to double check the amount before proceeding. When you're ready, confirm your subscription to the chosen product. From here, you'll start earning daily or periodic interest automatically. This means Binance will handle the interest calculations and payouts for you, allowing you to watch your balance grow over time without any further intervention. It's an excellent way to let your idle crypto assets earn interest while you focus on other areas of your portfolio or daily life. Finally, depending on the product rules you've chosen, you have the flexibility to redeem or withdraw your funds. If you're in a flexible savings product, you can withdraw anytime without penalties. For locked savings, remember that the terms of your lock-in period must be met before you can access your funds without incurring any fees. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you're on your way to earning passive income with your crypto assets on Binance. Continue to monitor the performance of your investments and adjust your strategy as needed. Thank you for watching and happy earning.